Are you looking for the who makes the best power carving tools? Here we will break down the top 7 who makes the best power carving tools on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dremel 4300 5/40 high performance rotary toolkit with LED light 5 attachments and 40 accessories. The big brother to the 3000 model, or is it technically its little brother because it is the latest Dremel child to release? Either way, if you are wanting more power to take on larger size projects, the Dremel 4300 and 5/40 takes the cake. Speed has a huge impact on what materials you are allowed to work on with a Dremel. The harder the material, the higher the speed. The 4000 model maxes out at a top speed of 35,000 RPM, while the 3000 max speed is 32,000. However, with great power comes larger motors, meaning it can be less comfortable to work with for extended periods of time compared to the 3000, but the additional power will get the task done in a shorter amount of time. If you plan on using it for hard materials, then I recommend spending a little more to get the Dremel 4000. Its performance was tip-top. Even though you can feel the extra force while using the power tool, surprisingly, it doesn't have additional vibration. We want to use a tool with a good amount of power that is easy to control because detail work is all about accuracy. The additional power is noticeably helpful, and if that is the determining factor for you, but want the flexibility of use for fine detailing, then I recommend getting the base model 4300 and 5/40 with the flex shaft attachment. The comfort and practicality of using this attachment compared to detailing with just the rotary tool is more than just noticeable. The difference is night and day. At number 2. Xacto X5175 Deluxe Woodcarving Set. The Xacto Deluxe Woodcarving Set is a good option for a hardcore woodworker. Users love the construction and sturdiness of this product, but some do complain about flimsy plastic pieces and certain design flaws. This product is a complete set for virtually any woodworking requirement: 3-dimensional carving, deep relief carving and whittling. It includes a number 5 knife handle, 6 assorted blades, 5 gouges and 4 routers and a wooden chest. This item seems like a good choice if you want high-quality woodworking tools. The general user consensus concerning the Xacto X5175 Deluxe Wood Carving Set is that it does the job well and seems sturdy. They praise its solid construction and ease of use. However, many buyers complain about a design flaw of the blade holders, which requires that the correct blade sits in the bottom tray. As one purchaser explains, it makes the case useless, unless you want to constantly remove blades just to put it away. Other frequent complaints regard the flimsy plastic molds and the plastic trays falling out. At number 3. Schaaf Full-Size Wood Carving Tool Set of 12 with canvas case gouges and chisels for beginners, hobbyists and professionals. As you may notice from the pictures here, this is essentially a set of fail lookalikes with a few small differences. For the most part, only professionals will notice these differences, so novice to intermediate carvers should find wood carving bliss here. Like the fail set, each tool features an octagonal ash handle, square tang, and hardened chrome vanadium steel. The Schaaf 12-piece wood carving set is a prime example of what a mid-range product should be. They are modeled after a very successful competitor design, with only subtle changes being made to lower the price and appeal to hobbyists. If you want to start somewhere in the middle, this is the set for you. At number 4. Gimars Upgrade 12 Set SK5 Carbon Steel Wood Carving Tools Knife Kit Kids and Beginners with Reusable Pouch. Gimars SK5 is the best budget wood carving tool set on our list. It comes with 12 high-quality tools for a reasonably low price. This set has 12 premium tools of different sizes and applications. You get chisels, gouges, pinpointing, and parting tools. The tools have high-quality blades made of SK5 carbon steel and electrolytic coating. They are sharp, durable, and can be used for a variety of applications, including touching up antique furniture, micro and miniature carvings, spoons, bowls, and different animals. They are also ideal for clay and soapstone sculptures. Its wooden handles have a sturdy and smooth finish, which is comfortable to grip and handle. The handle prevents blistering even with extended usage. The blades are also firmly attached to the handle and won't snap off. For ease of storage and organization, the set comes with a plastic, which is reusable, so that can also hold other tools and items. The set also comes with a 100% money-back guarantee to ensure you make a confident and risk-free purchase. Although Gimars SK5 is the best budget wood carving tool set on our list, they work best on non-wood carving, as they are subject to chipping when subjected to high pressure. Thus, they are best used for light-duty tasks. At number 5. Foredom K5240 Wood Carving Kit. This is among Foredom's complete toolkits that was upgraded with a new, more powerful motor, and more comprehensive and versatile rotary accessory selection. Toolkits contain everything you need to get to work. They take the guesswork out of product selection, offer the best value, and feature smart tool combinations for specific applications. The motor and control carry a 2-year warranty. The kit contains these main components. All new SR motor Foredom's new 1.6 horsepower, ball bearing, hang-up style motor with speed up to 18,000 RPM. This motor offers substantially more power than any of Foredom's other universal motors, 66% more than Series CC, and 33% more than Series S and old SR motors. At number 6. Beavercraft S13 wood carving tool set for spoon carving 3 knives and tools roll leather strap. It seems that Beavercraft masterfully hits the target, bringing together both professional carvers and novices when creating products very useful and worthy for both groups. S13 spoon carving kit is not an exception, as it consists of the best wood carving tools for beginners and professional wood carvers too that are fond of spoon and bowl carving. Moreover, this wood carving knife set is comprised of a general carving knife, spoon carving knife, detail carving knife, leather strap, and a green polishing compound. All that wrapped into a tool roll. What else a beginner would ask for? S13 is a multi-purpose kit. You will enjoy quality materials. In addition, the knives with the carbon steel blades in this best beginner wood carving kit have proven to be very strong and durable. So you wouldn't have to worry. At number 7. Morakniv Companion Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife with Sandvik Stainless Steel Blade, 4.1 inch. Mora's Companion series is one of the most well-liked and versatile in the world. With several different types of companion knives, any woodsman or woodcarver can find the exact knife he or she needs. For this list, we will be considering the Mora Companion MG. The blade is fashioned from high carbon steel and fixed into the handle, removing any doubt that it may become loose. It features a Scandinavian grind that is perfect for slicing through almost any wood you come across. The 3/4 tang leaves the blade with plenty of durability and strength, creating peace of mind for its user. The edge holds well, as do all Swedish carbon steel blades that Mora creates. It is reliably sharp and incredibly efficient at cutting wood into pieces of ribbon. For whittlers, the Companion is meant to take on the heavy-duty work, taking off large portions of wood. However, the blade is easily manipulated to make technical cuts if necessary. The blade itself is 4.1 inches long and about 2 millimeters in width. It is lightweight, weighing only 2.7 ounces, making it a breeze to carry. The handle is also remarkable. Made of rubber and designed to provide excellent handling, it absorbs shocks and allows users to hold it securely. Companions are perfect for any experience level, making it a most reliable tool. It's almost a given why this knife is on this list of best whittling knives. As always, Mora offers a limited lifetime warranty for this product. Hands down one of the best wood carving knives I've purchased and used by many survival knife enthusiasts.